how to fix Instagram bio link not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're going to tackle a common issue many Instagram users face: fixing your bio link if it's not working or clickable. If you find that a link isn't directing people to the right place, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So let's hop into Instagram first and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and here tap on edit profile. Now, here's the key mistake I see a lot of people making. They paste the link directly into the bio section, as you can see on the screen. But if you put the link on your bio, it won't be clickable. What you need to do is you can go to the bio option and then copy this link and then delete it from here, and then go back and you will see the link option right here. So tap on add links and tap on add external link, and in the URL section is where you paste your link. Just long press on it and then paste it. Now you can even put a title like my channel and so on, and just hit done. And now once you come back, you can see that the link is clickable now. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.